Hello everyone. How to Do It Wise, your guide to mastering life's challenges. The channel will provide practical, step-by-step pieces of advice on how to tackle everyday tasks and make smarter decisions. Looking for a better job? We've got practical tips to help you stand out and land that dream role. Need to optimize your time? Learn smart strategies to make every minute count. Want to boost your income? Discover innovative ways to increase your earnings and achieve financial freedom. But wait a little while. There's more. Your voice matters too. Share your short videos up to 55 seconds, asking the community how to do it wise in your unique situation. Through engaging tips, entertaining tutorials, and thoughtful discussions in the comments, we'll work together to find the best solutions. So why struggle alone? Let's begin on this journey together and discover how to do it wise. Hit that subscribe button and join our community today. Remember, wiser decisions every day lead to extraordinary results. See you in the comments.